Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Nepal A19 Rechargeable Light Bulbs. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it, so let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. This set comes with the instruction manual and accessories. There's also hanging hooks for the light bulbs, which has an on and off switch on the top of each hanger. It also has 4 rechargeable light bulbs. These light bulbs work just like any other A19 LED bulbs, and actually I like that it has a built-in battery backup that self-charges every time we are using it regularly. Once you receive your lights, it would be a good idea to install them onto your fixtures to make sure that they are fully charged in case of an emergency. Once it is fully charged, each light bulb can provide around 4 to 6 hours of light during a power outage when there is no electricity. It's nice because it gives peace of mind knowing that you still have backup light in case something unexpected might happen. One of my favorite features is that it is multi-purpose. I can screw it into my existing light fixtures, such as a floor lamp, a desk lamp, or even my ceiling light. And I can also screw it onto the included hangers to use it as a flashlight instead during power outages. When I screw it onto the light fixture, not only does it charge the built-in battery when I turn it on, but it also gives me backup light when there is no power. When I was testing this out, I installed this bulb onto my wall lamp, and then I tried to unplug the wall lamp to see how well it worked without being plugged in. The included metal clip is really nice. With the cord unplugged, to turn on the light, all I needed to do is place the metal clip onto the plug, which completes the loop and makes the light turn on. It kind of felt like a magic trick, but very, very useful when I need it for emergencies. To use it as an emergency flashlight, I connected the bulb onto the hanger and then I pressed the switch to turn it on. Notice how bright my hallway became with the light turned on compared to when the light is off. Overall, I am really excited about these light bulbs, and it will definitely be an important addition to our emergency supplies so that we are prepared for unexpected storms or blackouts and still have light when we need it. If you are in the market for rechargeable light bulbs for yourself or to give as a gift to somebody else, be sure to take a look at this.